Hello children, hope you are safe and fine at home. So today we are going to begin with chapter number 4, that is subtraction. Points. What is subtraction? Subtraction is removing of objects out of collected things. Parts of subtraction. Let us take an example, that is 36 minus 21. The first one we call it as minuend. The second digits we call it as subtrahend, and the answer we get after subtraction we call it as difference. What is minuend? It is the number out of which we subtract, that is the bigger one out of which we are going to subtract. Subtrahend. It is the number to be subtracted from minuend, that is the smaller one, that is 21 is subtrahend. So if we subtract, what is the difference? The leftover answer or numbers after subtraction is called as difference. Let us begin activity 1. Activity 1 to be done in the notebook, maths classwork. First question, write the numbers in vertical and subtract. A. 4254 minus 1832. The numbers are given in this form. You need to write down in this way. First, write down the places, then tick the first digit in the ones place, then tens, hundreds, and then thousand. From the second one, write below the numbers. Ones place digits, then tens, hundreds, and thousand. As you have studied earlier subtraction, the same manner we are going to study in this class also. 4 minus 2 it is 2. 5 minus 3 it is 2. 2 minus 8 it is not possible. So we are going to borrow from the neighbor, that is by 4. 4 will become 3 and the 2 will become here 12. Now it is greater. We can subtract 8 out of it. 12 minus 8 it is 4 and 3 minus 1 it is 2. Similar way I have done the B question, then C. The question number 2 is word problem. The sum of two numbers is 5885. If one of them is 3176, find the other. So let us take minuend, the greater one, that is 5885 minus subtrahend, that is 3176. We need to subtract. 5 minus 6 it is not possible, so we are going to borrow from 8. 8 becomes 7 and 5 becomes 15. 15 minus 6 it will be 9. 7 minus 7 it is 0. 8 minus 1 it is 7 and 5 minus 3 is 2. The difference is 2709. We will conclude. Therefore, the other number is 2709. Then let us go for the third one. Ravi bought a watch and a video game. What he has bought? Watch and video game for 6885. The cost of watch is 2875 rupees. What is the cost of video game? We need to find for separate video game. Who has bought? Ravi bought. What he has bought? Watch and a video game for 6885. What is the next sentence given here? Cost of watch. Cost of watch is 2875. The remaining will be the cost of video game. For that we are going to subtract. Write down the numbers one below the other properly and then subtract. 5 minus 5 0. 8 minus 7 1. 8 minus 8 0. 6 minus 2 4. Therefore the cost of video game is 4110. Let us go with the activity 2. Question number 1, subtract. This thing to be solved in textbook itself, that is page number 42. No need to do in the notebook. See, questions are given.
The first one is ones, tens, 100, 1,000 and 10,000. Write down, it's given one below the other properly. So subtract. 6 minus 2 it will be 4. 5 minus 3 it is 2. 4 minus 2 it is 2. 8 minus 4 is 4 and 2 minus 1 is 1. This is the subtraction without carrying. A completed. Then B. C. Let us go with the D. Similarly, the smaller one is above, the bigger one is below. So at that time we are going to borrow from the neighbor. That is, first cut 1, it becomes 0. 5 will become 15. Now 15 minus 6, 9. 0 minus 0, you'll get 0. Then 2 minus 0, 2. Again 3 minus 9, it is not possible. Borrow from the neighbor. First cut it and make it the smaller one. The 3 becomes 13. 13 minus 9, it is 4. 4 minus 3, you are going to get 1. E1. See, it is directly 6,000 minus 60,000 minus 45,454. So 0 minus 4, it is not possible. We have to borrow from neighbor. Neighbor also is 0. So we are going to the next number. Then with the same thing again 0. So we can't subtract. So we are going to borrow from the digit, that is 6. We are going to cut and write down as 5. Then comes 9, 9, 9, and the first one will become 10. 10 minus 4, it is 6. 9 minus 5 will be 4. 9 minus 4, it is 5. 9 minus 5, it is 4. 5 minus 4, 1. F. Once again we are going to borrow. 7 minus 8, it is not possible. So we are going to borrow from 6. 6 becomes 5 and 7 becomes 17. 17 minus 8, it becomes 9. 5 minus 5, 0. 4 minus 3, 1. 5 minus 1, 4. 7 minus 4, it will be 3. Question number 2. Subtract. To be solved in notebook. One page, 4 sums neatly and properly. Write down the questions in the same manner. A. Simple subtraction as we did earlier. Question number 2. Then with the C. Question number D. E. Let me do it. 6 minus 4, 2. 5 minus 6, it's not possible. Cut it, it becomes 0. 5 will become 15. 15 minus 6, 9. Again 0 minus 3, it is not possible. So we are going to borrow from neighbor. 4 will become 3. So 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 3, 7. Once again 3 minus 5 not possible. Borrow. 7 will become 6 and this becomes 13. 13 minus 5, 8. 6 minus 2, 4. Next F. 66,000 minus 9,999. Similarly, it is not possible to subtract directly. Borrow from the number 6, it becomes 5. This one has 9, 9 and this one has 10. 10 minus 9, it is 1. 9 minus 9, 0. Again 9 minus 9, 0. 5 minus 9, it's not possible. Borrow from the neighbor. 5 becomes 15. 15 minus 9, 6. 5. as it is. G, I have done it. Simple subtraction with the borrowing. H, that also. I, J, K and L. With this we are going to complete our activity 2.